Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to add a structured table now. Open Notes and select the note, then tap the table icon to insert a starter grid. Once the grid appears, add or delete rows and columns to fit your content, because getting the shape right first saves edits later. Make sure to name the note clearly so you can find it. If you need a header, enable the header row right away to keep labels consistent as you populate cells. Now populate and format the table to communicate clearly. Tap a cell to type, press return for new line inside that cell, and use copy-paste when repeating content. Once done entering data, long press column or row headers to resize, move, or apply formatting across multiple cells so everything aligns. Use drag handles to reorder rows quickly and keep consistency by using the same font and spacing. If collaborating, share the note to allow others to edit the table in real time. Finish by cleaning up layout and adding functionality. Check header labels, adjust column widths for readability, and align text so the table reads easily. You can embed checkboxes, links, and simple lists inside cells to track tasks or reference documents. Once satisfied, lock or pin the note if needed. If something breaks, like missing rows or sync delays, sign out and back into iCloud, toggle note syncing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.